indication that the trend for the stock is on the upside. Now, as far as the targets are concerned on the upside, I think the best strategy to follow, since his entry level has been excellent, the best strategy to follow is to stay long on the stocks which are long-term bullish, and thereby creating a portfolio of stocks where the long-term momentum has been intact, the long-term trend has been intact. So diversifying across a few other stocks, not holding on only to one stock, I would say it has to be a portfolio of stocks, maybe around 8 to 10 stocks at minimum that he should hold on. And for Eicher Motors, I am extremely bullish because the entire auto space has done exceptionally well. Look at Maruti, look at the other auto sectors as well. So the auto and auto ancillary is going to benefit maximum from the India's growth story and should do exceptionally well. So hold on to this stock. Follow a trailing stop method if you want. Probably you can use 25,000 as a trailing stop method just in case the worst case scenario if the stock.
All, if I look at IT and pharma, both that many would argue are looking a little less expensive compared to, say, those that have run up quite a bit. What's your sense? I mean, I know you don't talk about stock specific, but overall, big, large cap pharma companies worth looking, relooking at?
Yeah, the positives are the
Which of the two would you sort of recommend? What are the charts saying?
See, the overall tone for the pharma space has been negative. I agree to that. But at the same time, I think the valuations are extremely attractive in the large cap pharma space. At the same time, I think the defensive sectors, which has been a lackluster so far, should outperform it. So both IT and pharma can probably be the reason why index can stay buoyant. And I would suggest that Sun Pharma looks very attractive at the current level. So the investment strategy should be in a staggered fashion. Do not go all in at the same level. Probably keep buying on the dips, maybe 20% investment right now in Sun Pharma.